Hello viewers, today we're in Glasgow and I'm just going to show you outside one of Glasgow's oldest pubs called Sloans. Sloans was established in 1797. Give me a comment below if you've been in Sloans and had a pint, or you've maybe visited the restaurant upstairs, or even went to Cayley for a comedy show. Check out the artwork that's in the alleyway when you go in, quite nice. The wee slogan, "Are you dancing?" Give me a comment below if you know where that's from. Famous comedy duo, "Are you dancing? Are you asking?" And we just walk all the way down the alleyway, just off Argyle Street. They've got a wee outdoor area now. It's opening soon after lockdown, so you'll be able to sit and have a beer outside. You can see the artwork on the wall here. It's quite stunning. Just zoom in a wee bit closer for you. And many of the original features are still in the building. So it was renamed Sloan's when the owner took it over in the 20th century. And it's got a couple of levels. One of the nicest bars in Glasgow with some great history, so I highly recommend you pay it a visit if you come to Glasgow. And we just head back out onto Argyle Street. It's only a couple of minutes walk, maybe 5 minute walk from Glasgow Central train station. So that's Sloan's Bar. I'll try and get a video inside it soon, guys. Subscribe to the channel for new videos below. It's absolutely free. Just hit the wee subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and check out my other videos going around Scotland. Thanks for watching.